Welcome back to another Dollar General haul. This is a small haul, but I really wanted to shed some light on some stuff I found today. And some of this is from their Christmas aisle. They're starting to get the beauty stuff in and everything, so I wanted to share with you what I found and tell you what looks in tutorials, or well, tutorials and reviews that may be coming your way. So first off, I have the LaColors liquid eyeliner. This is the smudge and smear proof. This is their $1.50 eyeliner. I love this. I've repurchased this several times. It's my favorite liquid eyeliner. I needed a new one, so I picked this up for myself. Non-LaColors related first before we get into the Christmassy items that I found. But this is from Freeman, and we all know they're like famous for their face mask and stuff. They have two face masks that are basically like sample sizes or just small travel sizes. Yeah, more like travel sizes for $3. And they had the gel cream mask, and it's glacier water and pink peony. And then they had the detoxifying mud mask, and this is charcoal and black sugar. They had two other ones to choose from. I cannot remember what they were, but these are 1.5 fluid ounces each, and you really can't beat this deal. And I really wanted to try this one, so I picked it up because of that. And then LaColors had a bunch of face mask and lip mask and glosses, nail polishes, all kinds of stuff like they always do around Christmas time. But I had never seen the face mask from them, and I picked up the cucumber one to try. They're $1 each. This is hydrating and cooling. And they also had the aloe vera one, and at some point they could have had more than that. I am not sure, but I thought we would try this one. I left behind the lip mask just because I thought I'm less likely to pick that one up and use it. But I'm most definitely going to pick up the face mask and try it out. So we'll probably do a review on that because I'm very curious about that. And then they had some new dollar eyeshadows. They always come out with these also every year. And last year's was Flashy, Sassy, and Classy. This year, now these are similar to last year's palettes, but I can tell by looking at them that there are a couple different shades. But I just thought I would get them because I would probably get asked about them and to do tutorials and stuff with them, because in the past I typically get asked about doing the LaColors dollar palettes. So I picked up Stunning, very beautiful warm nude palette, everyday kind of palette, but super cute packaging in my opinion, beautiful shades. And then I picked up Stylish, which is their like rose gold kind of one. Very beautiful eyeshadow palettes, and I cannot wait to try them out. And I looked over the display, and these are the only two I saw, but I have a feeling, because typically there's three, that there is one in here, one that I missed, that I may have to go to a different store. So that is my Dollar General haul. I just wanted to share with you guys that they had some new LaColors palettes out, and some face masks and some stuff like that. Just some fun beauty finds. So I had to share them with you. And I thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.